Hi, this is Dan Ensel with Berkshire Hathaway with the May real estate recap. So, what happened in May? Nationwide, we saw a couple trends happening there. We saw a continuation where the number of sales nationwide dipped for a couple months in a row there. And then also inventory levels built for 2 months in a row. So we're seeing sort of opposite trends there. So a number of new listings coming on, increasing, number of sales decreasing, so a buildup of inventory. Let's see what's happening locally here though. In Santa Barbara, instead of increasing like it is nationwide, the number of new listings declined 18% compared to like a 5-year average, pre-pandemic average there. So 226 new listings. We've been sort of averaging about 277 for the month of May in the 5 years previous to the pandemic there. How did sales go? The number of sales in the Santa Barbara area down about 10%. So again, considering the declined inventory, that's not bad at all. So 163 closed sales compared to, again, the 5-year pre-pandemic average of about 181 closed sales. Pending sales, which are in escrow but haven't closed yet, so it's more of a forward-looking index there. They're down about 24%, so much closer to the decline in inventory levels. That makes sense. Less inventory, less sales, less things for buyers to choose from. So again, down about 24%, 155 pending sales in the South Coast here compared to what we normally have, which is about 203. How did Montecito fare? The inventory shortage in Montecito is much more pronounced than it is in the rest of the area here. So the number of new listings, 27, that's down 37% compared to what we'd normally have for the month of May. Typically we'd have about 43 new listings there. This is a great example of sales following selection. The number of sales was down 36%, almost identical to the decline in inventory levels. So 14 closed sales compared to what we normally have is around 22 for that same time period over the previous 5 years there. Pending sales, properties again in escrow but haven't closed yet. There were 18 pending sales in Montecito compared to 24 like we'd normally have for that time period, so down about 25%. So again, clear example of less selection, you're gonna have just less sales out there. One thing that's very different though between the Santa Barbara market and the Montecito market, the Santa Barbara market tends to be much more interest rate sensitive. Interest rates have gone through the roof in the last 6 months there. They've increased probably 60 to 80% compared to what they were, which really cuts into buyers' buying power there. Montecito market and Hope Ranch market, much more of a cash market, so a lot less sensitive to that. So we're still seeing more multiple offers and stronger buyer demand in Montecito than we are in the Santa Barbara market. I expect that to continue into the summer months there.